Hi, Wade. Yeah.
Hey Dan, yeah, I got a message from Meredith that she has another thing going on, so she cannot join today.
Okay.
Yeah,
Probably
so we
just the
can
two of us then.
yeah we can go through it quickly, and then we can take the time to for the call that we have for the sync up call.
Yep. Back-to-back calls.
Yeah. Okay, maybe let's wait for 2 more, 3 more minutes and see if just follow the procedure. Yeah, just that other people join. Uh,
Yeah, sounds good.
your voice is getting much clearer now.
Yes, I'm almost fully recovered. I would say like 99% of the way there. Still have to mute occasionally for a cough here and there, but feeling pretty good.
Okay, that's good. And did you okay? Well, we can do it later. I'm wondering if the midnight has rescheduled the time.
Yeah, let's go over that on the next call so it's not on the public recording.
Oh, it's recorded, right?
This one
Oh,
is recording, yeah.
oh yeah. But what I need to ask David, who has the access right, and what's is it recorded and then published directly? I have not seen the recording yet. I just need to ask for that too.
Yeah, I'm not sure if and where it's published, but yeah, I see that recording button at the top.
Okay, no more sensitive material. Yeah, I think we should start. So
Okay,
I'll
cool.
share. Yeah, I'll share screen here. Uh, So basically, we have one pull request. Just check in. So you'll be opening up just new pull request. I so there are 5 pull requests right here, and there are 3 of them that's automatically generated the dependencies, right? So we'll look at these. These are not urgent, so we'll look at this later on. The bottom 3, and then there's one that's I think this is from Maryland. This is about removing some TAFA that's not used by that. So I think that should be fine. There's a current branch .tar. So this is the only change, removing a file. And Marylis mentioned that she has been working on it, but does not have a chance to check in today. So I'm thinking is that we approve this one and then just let this file to be removed. Uh,
Agreed.
yeah. Okay, so we will. I think I have checked in already. Let me see. I signed in. Oh no, I haven't. Oh, I saw I signed in already. Just a moment. Let me stop sharing. Let me sign in offline and then
Yep, sure.
is it stop share? Let me stop share first. Just don't want
Yes,
to.
it has stopped sharing.
Okay, I share again. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so everything all checks passed, no conflict with this branch, so we'll just say that we'll just merge it and cool. Okay, so we have that, and then we have another check-in, which is the there have been some changes with Stella API. And then the team kind of do the configuration changes and then remove some of the deployment script and then some of the log script, and then make sure it works. Yeah, and then I think this should be fine because I got the email separately saying that actually this is from Yuhua. So I think we maybe, well, there are a lot of changes, so it's very difficult to go through every file to make sure things work. So my thinking normally for these kind of things is just accept it, and then if there are things that goes wrong, we can come back to the log issues. What do you think?
Yes, that's fine. Agreed.
Yeah. Okay. But otherwise it'd be just too many changes to go through each file. But they review themselves before checking in, so we'll just accept these. 45 file changes, 48. That's a lot of changes. Cool. So we go back to three three pull requests left, and these are the kind of
The
automatic
bot
one.
ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, it's good. And then we have two issues here. Yeah, this one should be closed. This one's closed. Yeah, did you remember the pull request issue that we just? Which one pull request? Oh yeah, this is the one, 727. So we'll close this issue because the pull request has been checked in. So close this one.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, and then we have one more here. This is to write a blog about Harmonia and the Smoot merger. So I have some material already, but I think because this blog is coming from two teams, Adara and One Chain. So I just want to kind of go through actually I was hoping that Meredith will be here and then we can go through the major items to see who is working on what. I have been working on the One Chain side, so no problem. But there are something that would do. Maybe let's go through this and see if this is okay. So first one is that we want the blog will talk about the interoperability problem we want to solve, and then we describing the complexity of interoperability and then just general things, and then we'll describe what is Smoot and its purpose, describing general. That those have been published already. I think we can get material out of it. And then we want to have a section say what is Harmonia, and this is Adara coming from Adara. And we explore Smoot mission and key drivers, and then alignment with EA, and then there will be section for Harmonia as well. And then we were talking about understand Smoot integration with Harmonia, and talk about use cases for Smoot technology, and then the architecture, technology of things, and then some of the deliveries over here. and maybe some of the material marketing content coming in as well. What do you think? These are the major sections?
I would probably reorder a few of these sections because this blog post really more than anything be kind of a marketing exercise. So a lot of the content will probably be the same, but I think once we start writing it out, I can also go through and rearrange some of that content. Um, I think the biggest thing in terms of the actual content that you have listed here is um, if it's merging, then it's becoming one thing. So I think that will have to come through more so in our blog when we write it, because right now it looks very much like here's Smoot, here's Harmonia, here's what Smoot does, here's what Harmonia does, um, et cetera, et cetera. Whereas the whole point should be now that it's becoming Smoot, if you know what I mean.
Okay, yeah, yeah. That one we can, I think one thing we can do is that we let Adara team write about Harmonia, and then the integration part we can write it ourselves, and then just with the consultation from them. Okay, and then this, because there's still uncertainties over there, and then we can just, because when you look at the two code base, they're very separated. Okay, so that one we still need to spend some time on that, and that's why I'm waiting for this as well. It's just like it's not, it's the merging is not very straightforward.
Yeah, I think we can get like a Google Doc going or something, or share a shared document, and both you and the Harmonia team
Mm-hmm.
can, as you have out here, this is kind of all the information we need. So you can like
Mm-hmm.
fill out all the information. And then
Mm-hmm.
once the information's there, you can pass it to me and the marketing team, and then we'll take out all that information and put it in a kind of blog-like format, or a non-technical blog-like format.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, with that, I think that I fully agree that's the way to do it. But there's a one catch here, a small catch here. When we do drafted the charter, and we've been debating with lawyers of this FFDT, and there is a clause saying that all the documentation, all the material should be open source from day one, which means it should be in public domain from day one. And I remember I changed that to only in major releases, right? I was telling them that, well, some of the document, when we are drafting in, we we are not releasing yet, and that's why we keep it in like a confined domain before make it public. And but the lawyer refused to change that kind of clause. So I'm wondering if we make it like a Google Doc, right? Does that violate this thing, or it's okay? Uh,
I'm sure it's okay. We can relook the specific wording in the in with the lawyer's comment, but yeah, I'm sure that's okay. Even the original blog post, was done that way with the LFTT.
oh, okay. Oh, good. That's good point. That's good point. Okay, yeah, I got debated with the lawyer for quite a while because he put that to other projects as well. And there are things that like my argument was that some documents are not ready to be released yet. And at that point, it should not be public domain. You make it public domain after you kind of decide that's releasable to the public. But his point is that why do you want to do that? Okay, the work should be public directly from day one. Okay. So yeah. Okay, if that thing that if we both of us agree that this is okay, we'll do it this way. And then if there are questions raised, then we can argue later. Yeah. Or correct it or change it later. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, there's no other way to do it. We can't collaborate on a doc in GitHub.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's one reason I put the major point here and instead of using the Google Doc and that's yeah, I have some material on there already. Okay, okay, that's cool. I think that's good that we only have one issue that working on the blog issue and then the check-in we have 48 files check-in. That's good, and removing one file. That's very good actually. Uh, um, okay, should we close this community call?
Yeah,
Or
I
you
think
other
pretty
thing?
straightforward today. So yeah, let's we can end this one early.
Yeah. And should we open another call just directly, or we want to wait until like 43 minutes later?
No, let's just open one directly. I'll send you another link.
Okay. 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 I'll talk to you soon. Yeah.
Okay. All right. See you in a few minutes. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.